Well, certainly it was a very, very tragic incident here in Pune. Yesterday evening around 7:30, a blast ripped apart the German bakery, a very popular hangout with foreigners at the Koregaon Park. 9 persons lost their lives, including 2 foreigners, and 53 persons were very seriously injured. The obvious target of the attacks, foreigners who thronged the cafe because of the Osho ashram being right there, and of course many students who come to study here. But a more alarming connection, David Headley, who had been here, who had recce'd the entire location, including the Chabad house, the Osho ashram, and of course the German bakery.
Pune's first terror attack, targeting the landmark German bakery. Across the road from the Osho commune, a stone's throw from the Jewish Chabad house, the local center of the Israeli religious movement that was targeted in Mumbai on 26/11. The bakery itself, a hangout for foreign nationals, tourists and locals alike. Initially it was reported as a simple LPG cylinder blast.
The blast has ripped apart German bakery. Not much remains. There was blood all around, broken glass everywhere. The police arrived on the scene. Bodies of dead and the injured have been taken to hospitals close by.
And we left just that area 10 minutes before it happened. So it's in shock. I'm totally shocked. It's a landmark.
We're really in shock. We've been there often, and we almost went in there for a bite to eat.
Blood on the streets, the dead charred beyond recognition, the toll of those injured constantly rising, the bakery itself completely destroyed, the impact pointing to something more terrifying, an act of terror.
रेड एंड ब्लैक कॉलर का उधर मिक्स था, वो मैंने उधर देखा बाहर,
वो टेबल के नीचे
रखा था, मैंने उधर देखा, वो देखने के बाद मैंने जाके वो मैनेजर को बोला वो उधर बैग रखा है बोल के, और मैं उससे बोला वो किसका है, वो लेके आ बोल के बोला, और मैं लेके आने के लिए बाहर आ रहा था. बाहर एक गेट के बाहर एक कस्टमर बैठा था, उसने मेरे को पानी लेके आ बोल के 200 रुपये दिया, और वो मैंने लेने के बाद में वो उधर ही फट गया, विस्फोट हो गया.
बहुत भयानक आवाज हुई, मैं पागल हो गया. मेरे को तो पागल कुत्ते की ज्यादा मैं भागा. मेरे को लगा कि क्या हो गया, समझ में नहीं आया. मेरे दिमाग ने काम करना ही बंद कर दिया.
I think 2 are critical. We can't say anything about them, but 3 are in better position.
Panic once again as another unidentified bag surfaced.
We also have the dog squad here, which is right here, which is trying to find out all, perhaps there are other bombs that we don't know, trying to locate if there is any other evidence here.
Finally, a confirmation from the Home Ministry in Delhi.
It appears that an unattended package was noticed in the German bakery by one of the waiters, who apparently went and attempted to open the package when the blast took place.
The location of the attack is especially significant. The Osho ashram was one of the 2 locations visited by David Headley, the Pakistani-born American terror suspect arrested by the FBI, now charged in connection to the 26/11 attacks. The Home Ministry pointing out that the state government had been given specific intelligence on the German bakery area being a possible target.
All the information that is available to us at the moment points to a plot to explode a device in a place that is frequented by foreigners as well as Indians. We had sensitized the state government and the state police that the Chabad house, which is a short distance away, is a target of attack by the terrorists.
Tuba.com